everyone, it's Chele from Scrap Secrets and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is part of the April card Hoppin Hop for Handmade Happiness, which is put together by Jen Schoolcraft. Here's the inspiration photo that I found for my galaxy background. And I've done many galaxy backgrounds in the past, but I've never done them on black cardstock. So I thought this would be a perfect time to try it out. I'm going to be using 4 different colors of Distress Oxide: Picked Raspberry, Blueprint Sketch, Salvage Patina, and Seedless Preserves. Taking my blending brush and just going in small areas with little circles to fill up the entire background. So while I'm filling up the background, I'll tell you a little bit about this hop. So there is a lineup for the hop, so make sure that you click on the description box below, and I will have the link to the next person's video as well as the entire lineup. In case you get lost, you can come back here and find your way. So every month we have a theme and a technique. So this month it was either bokeh or galaxy, and it was anything but stamps. So I was okay doing the background because I've done plenty of Distress Oxide, Distress Ink, spray backgrounds for galaxies before, but it was a little bit more difficult when it came time for the sentiment for the card. So I'll show you what I do in a little bit, but so that was a fun challenge this month because not using stamps is a lot harder than I thought it would be. I actually thought, I was like, oh, this will be pretty easy because I have stencils, I have dies and things, but finding that sentiment was very, very difficult. So now back to the card. I am just taking my brushes and going over and blending a little bit, just making sure that one color isn't overpowering another, but I didn't want it to be a perfect blend like you get when you do the backgrounds. I wanted it to have that blotchy feeling because it'll make it look better once we put the stars on. So after I've made sure that all of the colors are, nothing is overpowering anything, and I am happy with it, I put that to the side to let it dry for a couple minutes. And then we're going to work on the stars. I took some MFT Sweet Tooth pigment ink, stamped it down onto a stamping block, took some water from my Tim Holtz Distress sprayer and sprayed the block. I made sure to put the background out of the way because Distress Oxides as well as inks will be reactive with water, and I didn't want water droplets on there. I just wanted the stars. So now I'm taking a fan brush and flicking that Sweet Tooth pigment ink onto the background to make different size stars. So you can see some are larger than others and some are just teeny tiny little ones. So I love the way this came out. I did put this to the side for a couple of days to dry because I just couldn't get back into the craft room. And you'll notice that my nails did change colors, so it's been a couple days. And I found this Concord and Ninth die that was attached, and it says, "It's your day." I cut it out of silver sparkly cardstock, and the letters didn't fall out of it because it was so thick. So I left it in there, and now I'm gluing the background down to down to a card base. And you'll notice that the back had a attempt on doing a galaxy background on it. I liked it, but I wasn't in love with it. So I thought I'd try this technique and then just see which one I liked better for the card. So back to the die cut piece. I'm using my Be Creative precision glue from Honeybee to glue that down into place, and I thought this looked like the moon and it had writing in it. So I wanted to do something like have an out of this world birthday or something along those lines, but I found this die that says "It's your day," and to get the letters to stand out, I go over it with some glossy accents. So I'm really happy with the way that it all turned out. The glossy accents does make the letters stand out a little bit more. So once I finished that, that's the entire card for the day. It was a very quick card, but I loved it. I loved doing the challenge. I hope that you guys will follow along with us, hop, comment, subscribe, and like our videos. Thank you so much for participating in this, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video. Bye!